Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to find outfits on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then go to the Me tab in your bottom right corner and then click Gals. In your upper left corner, select Outfit. In your upper right corner, click Hashtags to expand the list of all hashtags. Finally, on the left side of your screen, you can see the panel with hashtags categories. Mark the category from which you want to see the outfits and then choose the exact hashtag of the outfit. And here are all the outfits with this hashtag. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.